Welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. I haven't seen you guys in a while, and if you're watching, I'm happy that you're here and I hope that you can enjoy this video. So let's get started. So today I'm going to be doing a product review for a product called Waxelene. So Waxelene is an ointment that I use on my skin, and I've been using them for quite a long time. This is a product that I like to use when I'm not using my own DIY skin creams and face creams and things like that. If you just want to buy something, this is what I go for. Waxelene is a small company. They make a soothing botanical jelly. It's also used as a multi-purpose ointment. They have all natural ingredients, and it's very good if you have sensitive skin like I do. Waxelene is an all-natural skin ointment. It's great for all skin types and multiple ailments. I have very dry and sensitive skin, so I find that using all natural products really helps me to keep my skin very healthy, supple, and dewy. Even if you have a different skin type from me, I find that Waxelene can be used for multiple skin ailments. You can use it on chapped lips, or you can use it on your hands. The ingredients list is very simple and very short, which is my favorite thing for skincare products. The ingredients are organic soy oil, organic beeswax, vitamin E oil, and rosemary oil. I love the very simple ingredients in this product, and I really enjoy using this as an all-natural face and eye cream. You can use it for either day or night. I use this as a face cream, and I often have found that Waxelene always gives me a subtle and dewy look to my skin, which is my favorite look on skin because I have extremely dry skin that's very, very sensitive. So I really enjoy that dewy glass skin look on my face, and I really find that this helps with that a lot. I even use this if I have just a little bit of a sunburn, or maybe I have a bit of a skin rash on my face because my skin's just very sensitive. Sometimes I just get very flushed on my cheeks, and this really helps with things like that. I actually carry this everywhere I go. So this is a Waxelene lip balm. It's exactly the same product that's in this, except they just put it into a lip balm tube, which makes it really easy for traveling. And I use this as my to-go face cream or eye cream. I use this as a face cream often. You can also use this on scars. It might help to fade scars over time because there's vitamin E oil in this, which is very good to help to fade scars over time. The vitamin E oil in Waxelene, reducing skin irritation, psoriasis, eczema. Vitamin E oil is also a natural antioxidant and a natural preservative, which can assist the skin in self-healing and anti-aging. Beeswax has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help with things like skin irritation or a rash, eczema, or psoriasis. Beeswax is a very natural epidermis moisturizer, which helps to keep your skin hydrated and protected from the elements. Beeswax is also a very common cosmetic ingredient, which is used in skin creams that are anti-aging and used to repair the skin, to help it to heal itself and to prevent acne. To use Waxelene, I just take a little bit on my fingertips and I spread it to kind of melt it almost into like an oil consistency, and then I simply pat it right into my skin. You don't want to rub it into your skin, because if you rub your skin, it's going to lead to faster wrinkles because you're stretching out your skin, which you don't want to do. So here is Waxelene's Instagram. I have been following them on Instagram for a long time now. If you go to their bio, you'll see the link to their website. And I love that their website makes it so easy to find the ingredients list to their products, since that's the most important thing to me when I'm looking at skincare. I find it easier to trust a company when they are practically shouting from the rooftops their ingredients list, because it's right there for you to see. If you decide to try something from the brand, let me know. If you decide you'd like to try their products, don't forget to use the code STEPHWAX for a 10% discount in checkout. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you can enjoy this video, and I know I haven't been on YouTube in a long time. I'm working full-time as a teacher now, and I'm in college full-time as well, so it's been keeping me pretty busy. I hope that you guys could enjoy this video, and thank you so much for sticking by me. I love you guys so much. Bye!